Hello, this is John from Mclaud Technology, and today we will teach you how to print on the UV DTF printer. This is the printer of Mclaud UV DTF 1701. So the first step you do is let's open the file. Okay, so I want to print this Merry Christmas thing. You see that Christmas thing? I want to print that. So the first step is you open the job and you find the file and you add it. Okay. After you add it, this is the file right now. Okay, say holding. You right click it and you go to job properties. Okay, after you go to job properties, it will open like this. And this one, let's say I want, you can turn this around by doing these things there. And let's say I want this one like that. Okay, if you want that one, and the distance of this is, let's say I want 4 inches for that. I want 4 inches. So let's put 4 inches. Click it there so it becomes 4 inches now. You see that? Then after that, I want to create like how many I can do in one gang sheet. So like this, I can only like do 4 because of 4 inches the width. Or maybe I want 2.5. Make it smaller. So I can do like 4, and I did 6, 2, 4, 6. Now I have 6. Okay, then with I have 6, then I can do like let's say we would like to create 300. I want a 300 of this. Okay, look at that, 300, and I click it, it will do like this, 300 altogether. So it's too long, right? So too long. So 300 pieces of this. I want to create 300 pieces of that. Okay? So with the 300 pieces, okay? Think about that. That's 300 pieces, right? So all you have to do is put it send here. Send. And it will go to my folder in the downloads called to be print. So I make this design, DTF Christian design, Christmas design, and let's say I want 300 there. Okay, I put 300 so that I know it's 300. Okay, then you do save. Then you will start to do the ripping. The ripping is so fast so that it will not take so much time. So he ripped like 3 times maybe. For first he ripped the white, he ripped the color, and he ripped the varnish. So because I'm ripping 300 prints, that's a lot, right? I want to give away a sticker to everybody. So now it's ready. So all I have to do is click this software and open the file, okay? And find the 300 Christmas. Where's the 300 Christmas? Okay, there you go, 300 Christmas, okay? Click that one and open. So now he will load the file. So this is all the prints that I'm gonna do. And the first thing we do is click print. And from the print, he will start to print. So printer initialize, okay? So we use a Hosen soap in this motherboard. So to make sure that it's good, a class A motherboard, and now it's starting to print. So this is how it works right now. Let's see how it works. So as you can see, you see that? Started to print the white. Okay, and I started to put the bells. So I want you to see how these things work. You see that? And you see the varnish on the bottom. It started to put the varnish now. See, you can see the varnish. Oh, it started to get a Merry Christmas. So that's how it prints. So we do the first print, and we have the finish of one already here. Look at the print there. Wow, so this is the previous print. This is the Merry Christmas that we're printing. So it's already there, so it's about to get out. So this printer, guys, it prints at the same time, it laminates. So when it came out here, it's already a sticker or a label or a decal, whatever you want to use it. And this is how good is this, okay? So avail now our Black Friday special for this printer. I just teach you how to print, and so easy. And you see now he started to print from here and it's going up there. So I'll be printing 300 sticker or label for this Christmas. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.